I find the 3D expert course extremely useful and interesting, especially for newbies in 3D printing world. The whole course is divided in few sections: 3D printing materials, 3D printing technologies, radiology, and bioinformatics as well. I recommend it to all who want to gain in-depth knowledges in this sphere. We, from our side in Riga State University, have been successfully implemented all the knowledges which we have gained in this course. I would like to highlight that the collaboration between teamworks is very successful. From our side, I can say only good things about how we have been cooperating with colleagues from different countries, even from different continents, to successfully finish our project work. So from this course you will gain not only knowledges but also connections.